After completing exercise 1, now we let us start working on exercise 2. In exercise 2, we understand how to test whether the host is reachable or not. Okay, for that purpose, we use networking command path ping. Okay, we can use that command to test whether the IP address can be connectable or not, reachable or not, whether a web address URL can be reached or not. Okay, so let me start this working on this example. We need to use PLAB Windows 10 server for performing this activity. Let us turn it on. Okay, now it is in running mode and I'm using pathping command, pathping 192.168.0.2. So then we click OK. You can check that the ping is performing trace and it is testing whether the host is reachable or not. So you can see that the host is reached and the host is PLAB DC01. Now it is computing statistics. Now we can see that the trace route and computing statistics. Computing statistics explains that how many packets sent and how many packets were lost. If it is observed, 0% packets were lost. So it explains that the destination is reached successfully. Okay, let me try with another option. In another option, we try with a URL. We try with the host DNS name. So let us try pathping PLAB DC01 dot practicelabs.com. Calculating trace and statistics. So now we have results of path pinging URL address. You can see that there are 0% packet losses. It explains that it is a successful connection between the target, the URL, and our system. Next, let us try with how to test a host connection, host reachable or not for a remote connection. So most often we use 8.8.8.8 IP address to test remote location. Okay, which is not belong to our local network. So let me try that one. Path ping 8.8.8.8 tested. So let's wait for results. We can see that host is not reachable because there is no proper configuration between a remote IP and our IP address. So that's the reason why we are getting host unreachable. Yes, we can see that packet losses will be completely lost. So now it can be seen that 100% packets were lost when we are testing the host reachable. This explains that there is no proper connection between target host and the system from which we are trying it. So this is all about exercise 2 of 5.1 labs. Let us try with exercise 3 in next video. That's it guys. Thank you.